Welcome to the Brook Railroad, and this bit of shenaniganery is brought to you by the need for heat. We are moving the wood pellet stove again, out of storage this time.
All right, hold on. Tilt it towards me.
And it's going to be moved into the place where it's got to go. Now, we can't show you the actual installation, but we'll at least show you the moving of the stove on the train. I mean, it's my daughter's house, we're moving it to, and I didn't ask her if I could film inside of her house, so I'm just gonna extend her that courtesy. How's it going, hon?
Do I have to answer?
Actually, it's getting out a lot quicker than when we put it in there.
Yeah, it does look a lot
And the
easier.
line is, how you doing, honey? Do I have to answer?
I'm just making a mess as we go along. Alright, now is the easy part. I lied.
This is the easy part?
I lied.
We don't know if it's the easy part or not.
We need to not roll the flat car over.
That is true.
And this is not the flat car it came down on.
No, it is not.
This is much smaller than the flat car
Well,
it came down on.
the flat car it came down on might be the same color, though. It is the same color, so it counts. It counts.
No.
Right?
No.
No, it does not.
Alright, shimmy it your way. Now.
Shimmy it this way.
Yeah. Might have been a little.
I'll put my foot on it.
Alright.
If you get that end up there.
Alright, I need to tilt it up more, and you need to spin it that way. Just turn high and wide. High and wide.
Don't turn it that way. You've got nothing to support it. Turn it 90 degrees.
I know.
Clockwise or
If I spin it one more
counterclockwise.
time up from this end,
Yeah.
it'll be
Where you want it?
where I want it.
Okay. There you go. That's a lot of.
That's a lot of thing for this flat car.
It is.
And it's centered. Kind of.
And it's handling it like a champ.
This little flat car can...
Almost good.
I wouldn't put anything more on it. Like, I wouldn't stand on it, too.
Nope.
Because those springs are right down. They're squashed.
I think this is the
That's
most,
its limit.
This is the most loaded this car has ever been.
Yeah, that's its limit.
All right, Johnny.
Well, at least we know the limit. One small...
Hold on, how much does
One
this weigh?
small
Hold on.
pellet
wait,
stove.
gross weight. Wait, no, we want net weight.
Net weight 170 pounds. Gross weight 193 pounds.
So we'll round it up to 200.
Yep.
Hey, Johnny, can you get me a couple of steaks?
Yeah, that car is loaded.
Can you give me a couple steaks?
You don't need them.
No? Okay.
It won't help you anyway. So away we go.
And away we go.
At restricted speed.
That tie did nothing to hold you on the hill, by the way.
No, it didn't.
Yeah. All right, away we go. I'll catch some run-bys. It's a fan special. Oh, there he is, getting on and off equipment while it's moving.
Is that a rule here?
We don't have NORAC.
Okay.
We don't have G-Core. We don't even have U-Core.
We have Millbrook core.
We have Millbrook Railroad rules, which is don't get hurt. Ah, yes, autumn or fall. Fall came all of a sudden this year, like overnight. And then we had a rain and lost half the leaves. So this is as good as it gets right now. It's kind of a muted color year.
It doesn't start rolling. Oh, that's...
So not 100 feet into the thing.
You need to push it that way.
We've got the car on the ground. Rails spread.
I blame the track department. Wait. Oh.
We are the track
We are the track department.
We are the everything department.
All right, you just got that other wheel set right behind that one on that same truck.
Yeah. And then the whole rear truck. Maybe? No. I don't like. Yes. On?
All right, that's on. Then the rear truck, if we tip it maybe like this and then roll it down the hill.
The rear axle's off.
Oh, the rear axle's off.
I think this one went back on a bit. All right, now it's gonna roll.
Sort of.
All right, Johnny.
I had to pick it up off of it was spreading the rails, the second axle was. So you have to put that second axle back on. There we go. It might be overloaded.
You
All right,
think?
we're gonna scoot it back this way so it favors this side just a little. There we go.
The test is, does it rock side to side or does it? No, it doesn't. So I got to balance it anyway. So if it rocks side to side, try it again.
No.
Closer.
So
You're way just a tiny bit. Yeah. Try it again.
we're also on the super elevation.
Yeah. That's probably good.
This will all change very dramatically.
It will. It will change. There we go.
Because the Millbrook Railroad isn't one solid
Piece of track.
piece of track.
No
unless-
railroad is. All right.
Well,
Anyway,
Johnny, I'm going. To
away we
remove-
go again.
I'm going to remove passenger privileges because I think Slack had a part to play in that.
Were you slacking again?
He always is.
Welcome to another Millbrook Railroad unboxing video. This is an unusual one because usually what we're unboxing is on terra firma and not on a moving flat car. Well,
Speaking of that,
you know, there's probably an easier way to do this. So I thought. Alright, well, we gotta pick up all these things when we're done with that. Well, Ooh. It comes apart. Boy, that's an easy unboxing right there.
Poor 70 got bonked.
That's got to be the easiest unboxing ever. After getting through the straps and everything.
Jeez, for all that, we could have unboxed it down there.
There's a warning here. You got to see this. Kids, don't play with this bag. This bag is not a toy.
No, that's one word. There's no spaces. It says, this bag is not a toy.
Oh, there's spaces. This bag is not a toy.
Oh, those are very short spaces.
Those are short spaces, but this bag is not a toy. Not the bag several times before throwing it away. Dispose of it in a sensible manner. Should we blow it up?
Yeah.
No, we're not going to blow it up. Nah, we're not going to blow it up. We're going to stay away from fire.
Yeah. We're definitely not going to tie it off and use it as a hot air balloon.
No, we're definitely not going to do that. No. Well, so we have this thing here.
Would you like me to shuffle the thing closer?
Yeah, probably a good idea.
I would, but I kind of have a remote in one hand and a camera in the other.
Okay.
Just trying to hold the 70 from
That should work, doing that.
rolling it down.
I'm probably too close. I'm definitely too close.
Hey, Johnny, could you give him a hand?
Yeah. There we go. Oh, sorry about your deck.
Oh,
Sorry about your deck, mate.
we're going to get some deck sealant. Whew. Oh,
Sorry about your deck, mate.
man.
You signed a waiver when you decided to use this to haul this.
Did you sign the waiver?
I didn't sign
Did you
it.
sign the waiver? You didn't sign the waiver?
Does that mean you're liable for damages? Call Saul Goodman.
Better call us Saul.
I can't sing that. I'll probably get copyrighted.
Yeah.
Probably. Anyway,
You know the song, all of you, everybody watching.
I don't, but that's okay.
I vaguely,
I don't actually
but not
watch
really.
movies much.
It was from
Man,
a
that
TV
shows
show.
you don't know. It's a TV show.
Oh, it's a TV show.
Yeah,
It was a spinoff of Breaking Bad.
it was a prequel to this.
Hey, stop. Put that back on.
It's not a toy, Johnny.
It's not a toy. Don't play with it. You gotta put that back on until we get it inside because I don't want to scratch it.
Understandable.
That one looks like it'll be easier to get in than the old one was to get out.
Because it's a lot smaller.
Oh. I'm going to let the 70 do its thing. I have the remote up here.
Well, I guess this is where we leave you, folks. I'm gonna hook this up and put. You can step back and show the whole thing. There we go. All right, well, I guess that's where we're gonna leave you, folks. I didn't get permission to film inside my daughter's house here, so we're not going to. So we're gonna take this pellet stove and I guess we might as well show it to you real quick. We're gonna take this little thing. It's got parts in here. Oh, it's got feet that you can level it.
Oh.
That's an improvement over the old one. So we're gonna hook it all up inside, and you know that's really not a railroad video, so we're not gonna do that anyway. So thanks for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. It is a short one, but that's okay. Sometimes they're short. The videos are just as long as they need to be. So big thumbs up if you liked it. Share it, subscribe.
As the 600 blows off in the distance.
We have Amtrak whistle in the background. I think that's the northbound Vermonter by the sounds of it. By the look of the time. Oh, look at the time. Time to find my watch. So, join us over on Patreon. Patreon.com/Millbrook Railroad. And, well, the algorithm thinks you will like a video somewhere over here. Or here. Or here.